Every gardener dreams of perfect soil, dark, crumbly, and alive, improving year after year. But for most, it feels like a constant struggle. Nutrients wash away, soil gets tired, and we start over each spring. Yet, deep in the Amazon, there's a soil that defies this cycle. Terra Preta do Indio, or Indian Black Earth. This soil is so rich and fertile, it's supported life for centuries, growing deeper and better with time. Created by ancient peoples, Terra Preta holds water, locks in nutrients, and is home to a thriving community of microbes. It's not a product, but a process, a living system we can learn from. Imagine building soil today that will feed generations to come. Terra Preta is a blueprint for a future where soil gets better, not worse. By understanding its principles, we can transform even the poorest ground into a thriving ecosystem. Scientists were baffled by the Amazon's lush rainforest growing on poor acidic soils. Yet, scattered across the basin, they found patches of deep, black, incredibly fertile earth. Terra Preta. These soils stood out, yielding abundant crops year after year without fertilizers. The secret? They were man-made, found near ancient settlements, mixed with pottery, bones, and charcoal. Ancient Amazonians composted on a massive scale, transforming their environment, their legacy living soils that still feed people centuries later. Terra Preta changed our understanding of the Amazon. Not untouched wilderness, but a landscape shaped by human hands. What makes Terra Preta so powerful? 3 key ingredients: biochar, organic matter, and life. Biochar, charcoal made in low-oxygen fires, creates a stable, porous structure that lasts for centuries. It's not a fertilizer, but a sponge, holding water and nutrients in its millions of tiny pores. Ancient Amazonians added food scraps, bones, and manure, charging the biochar with nutrients. This mix created a slow-release reservoir, feeding plants for years. The third ingredient, a thriving community of microbes and fungi. Biochar's structure provides a home for these organisms, who break down organic matter and make nutrients available. Together, these elements form a self-sustaining, ever-improving ecosystem. Terra Preta isn't just soil, it's a living web of carbon, nutrients, and life. This is the secret to its enduring fertility. The real magic of Terra Preta happens at the microscopic level. A teaspoon of this soil holds billions of bacteria, fungi, and other microbes, nature's workforce. Biochar's pores shelter these organisms, letting their populations explode. Mycorrhizal fungi form vast networks, extending plant roots and mining nutrients. Microbes decompose organic matter, recycling nutrients efficiently. Biochar holds onto these nutrients, while fungi deliver them directly to roots. It's a closed-loop system. Nothing wasted, everything reused. This invisible world is what keeps Terra Preta alive and productive. Unlike compost or manure, biochar is incredibly stable. It can last thousands of years. Each generation added more charcoal and organic waste, building deeper, richer soil. Biochar kickstarts a feedback loop. Microbes thrive, create more stable carbon, and the soil grows. This process, called microbial carbonization, means Terra Preta can even spread into surrounding poor soils. Instead of depleting, the soil regenerates itself. The lesson: don't just feed your soil, build its structure for the long term. Add biochar as a permanent backbone, then let life do the rest. With each season, your soil gets better, not worse. It's a shift from short-term fixes to lasting abundance. You don't need to live in the Amazon to create your own Terra Preta. Start by getting biochar. Buy it, or make your own by burning wood with limited air. Never add raw biochar directly. It must be charged with nutrients first. Mix biochar into your compost pile, letting it soak up nutrients and microbes as the compost matures. Once charged, add it to your garden beds. About 10% by volume is a good start. Work it into the topsoil or use as a top dressing. The biochar will improve water retention, nutrient storage, and soil structure. Keep feeding your soil with organic matter, kitchen scraps, leaves, mulch. Combine permanent biochar with ongoing composting, and you'll build living, resilient soil. This is how you create your own patch of black gold. Terra Preta style soil benefits more than just your garden. Biochar's sponge-like structure holds water, reducing the need for irrigation and protecting against drought. It prevents erosion and keeps nutrients from washing away, protecting waterways. Most importantly, biochar locks carbon in the soil for centuries, helping fight climate change. Every gardener who adds biochar becomes a carbon farmer, storing carbon safely underground. If adopted widely, this practice could make a real dent in atmospheric CO2. Building living soil is a simple, powerful way to heal the planet. Your garden can be part of the solution. The ancient Amazonians built soil that outlasted their civilizations, without modern science. Their secret was patience, observation, and giving back more than they took. They saw themselves as partners with the land, building a legacy for generations. Today, we can follow their example, make and use biochar, compost our waste, and feed the life in our soil. Start small, charge some biochar, add it to a pot or bed, and watch your soil transform. Notice the richer color, the improved texture, the healthier plants. You're not just growing food, you're building a living ecosystem. This is a tradition thousands of years old, and the power to continue it is in your hands. By creating your own Terra Preta, you connect to a timeless cycle of regeneration. The legacy you build in your soil can last for centuries,